This video is for the team. Everything in life is a teamwork. You cannot do anything without a team. I was always personally a team player myself because that was the most logical, way, and the most fun way. The way you can win is just like do the teamwork. If you really want to win, teamwork wins. And when you say team, you really make it masculine. When you say team, you really expect band of brothers. You know what I'm talking about? This video is dedicated to the band of brothers. Perhaps maybe because today I'm pretty emotional, so fuck it in a way. I'm done trying to make videos for the views to pay the bills, let's say. Let's just make it, in a way more direct. If you're a young man, I just want to tell you that I personally know this digital world very well. I know this digital world since it was 2D. If you're a young man, you perhaps entered in the 3D world of this internet. But I've been around since 2D, my friend, 2D. I played games on floppy disks. I don't even know if you know what's floppy disk. I watched porn in websites that with dial-up internet you had to wait this high resolution image to load, so I was just perhaps watching the tits first until the image load fully. I've been around, on this digital world. I've done my fair share of destruction in this world, let's say. But one thing I want to share with you here today is that by the end of this video, I'm sure you will have a chance to shift your perspective in a way that can lead you to meditation. I've been around in this digital world until 10 years ago, right? And always I knew that my real world is my digital world. Like somehow, since I was teenager, young adult, I knew that whatever I do outside is somehow not my real world. My real world is my digital world. Until 10 years ago, I met this girl after I started traveling, and she was doing Reiki practitioner course. After she was done with the course, I didn't know what's Reiki or energy healing. I didn't know what's just anything related to non really digital world. And I thought to myself that this energy healing is somewhat bullshit, isn't it? Like, how would you want to believe in something energetic, really, you know? Like, this is stupid. She was done with this course and she offered me, like, do you want a Reiki healing session? And I was like, yeah, sure, of course. And of course, in my head, I was like, yeah, I don't really believe in this thing, you know? It's just like, it's weird to put yourself in a situation that you find it pretty absurd and in a way stupid, you know. But I decided to go in, right? But all of a sudden, there was this mysterious energy flowing inside my body during the session. I thought to myself, oh, placebo, all of these things are just being activated right now. My body started moving, shaking. Somehow I went into this state that I could not really be in control of my body, but I could. But I really enjoyed the environment that I didn't really want to break it because it was so novel and so new to me. This kept on during the session, and after the session ended, somehow I came back to the time I started the session. But then I felt so angry. I felt so angry. Rage. Something that I never felt before. I never felt that angry before. But I was just so angry. I was punching the walls and really losing my shit in a way, but still very aware of it, not losing my shit. I was punching the wall because I was angry, and I knew I'm angry. I just want to release it. This kept on. I calmed down. We talked about it, and she was sorry that she did this to me. She did not know how things gonna turn out, and all of these things. But this was not really a thing between me and her. It was a thing between me and myself, because I realized that I was angry because for the first time in my life, I actually felt something. For the first time in my life, I actually could not think about it. Because any other thing I could just create thoughts for it. Because any other thing was always logical for me. Any other thing was always very, let's say, materialistic, very scientific, let's say. There is no weird, mysterious energy that can come and shake your body and perhaps heal you to an extent. This was a no go, This was like absolutely a no go. Like, what? Am I opening a door to a spirituality? This is fucked up, This cannot be true. I guess that's why I was so angry. Anyways, I said this to get to this part of the talk actually. So I don't know how long I've been talking. That wasn't so important so far. What's important is when you look at the flip side, when you look at the other side of the digital world, when you look at the other side of the reality we experience, all of a sudden everything becomes a spiritual. So for me, a spirituality is not about anything, godly. For me, a spirituality is very basic. It's like it's part of what we do every day, but we are not aware of it. It's like it's very simple. It's not complicated. It's very tangible. If you detach yourself from the digital world, if you unplug yourself, all of a sudden your life becomes a spiritual. It's like it's two plus two. Equals four. I mean, I'm not creating a trick question here. But then it expands, of course, right? The basic becomes advanced, the advanced becomes pro, perhaps. These levels go on anyway. But for the beginning, this nature state of being, natural state of being, it will alchemize your digital world. But you have to give it a chance. If you don't give this natural state of reality teach you something, if you don't give it a chance, and you think to yourself that the digital world is a reality that we have, because that's what I was thinking. At least, even though I had a very good physical life, I was someone that was popular, I was an artist, I was making money, and all of these things. But at the end, I knew that the digital world is the real world for me, because I knew that even if I am alone for the rest of my life and I have this digital world, I can get by. It's like somehow you can think of yourself in that lifestyle. And perhaps that's why the epidemic of loneliness and people thought themselves into this lifestyle and now they are in that lifestyle. And it's hard to come out of it because when you experience the loneliness, it gets hard to not be lonely because loneliness is also awesome, right? But the flip side for me was, wait a second, I need to find the source of this mysterious energy. Like, I cannot let it go. Like, I cannot just go in a Reiki healing session and my body starts doing all sort of weird things and not in my control, but also in my control, but something weird is happening and this is absolutely not um, explainable. I didn't even take any substances. It's just like she is giving me some sort of hand over my body, not even touching, and what's happening? It's like, what is going on? I gotta find what's going on because if I don't find what's going on, I will go crazy. At least that's what was happening to me because for so long I thought that I figured things out. For so long, I thought that I know my shit. For so long, I thought that I know everything. But then all of a sudden, I realized I know nothing. Like, something absolutely just like on the other side of the coin. It's like, holy shit, like this is a whole new world now. So I really went into this nature. I really dropped the digital world for a while. And that helped, really helped. Life became easy, life became so abundant, life became so spiritual, life became so affirming, that yeah, everything's fine, everything's gonna be okay. You already found it. God damn it, you're on the path. Even though if you live in that digital world, it's fine. Just relax, just chill. Like nothing you can do about anything that can make things better. It's like I got this blessing from nature. It's like nature was like, yo, I give you this. This is my gift to you. You're not going anywhere. You're not gonna supposed to do anything. You just hang around. All is good. I give you all the bliss you need. That's it. And then most of the pleasures that came from the digital world slowly faded away. Like it got replaced by something else. It got replaced by some magical energy, replaced by some deep understanding. And simply I could do whatever I want, you know. I wasn't bound to this internet. World Wide Web. I wasn't bound to that. I was like beyond every fathomable state. Until, of course, I'm here now. It's okay, you know. We all got to be here anyway. This is how we communicate. But all I want to tell you is do it for the team, you know. Do it for the team. Get out. Get out and experience life in a different way, you know. Experience life a little bit more in tune with nature. I get it, yeah. It's not so great. It's an illusion, yeah, I get it. It's just not so real. Yeah, I get it. All of these things, I give it to you. But there is nothing better than this can make you realize certain things that you need to realize. You know, when you say that, but this tree anyway is a code written there, and you look at it and you say, oh, look at that beautiful tree. It's a code. It's already written. It's already responded in your head anyway. Yes, absolutely. But can you see the code? You can't. Someone else gave the narrative to you. I'm just saying go out and see the code. I'm just saying just go out and see how this thing is designed. Just go out and look at things. Go out and simply ask your question. Then all of a sudden you realize that, damn, you could also write your own code. This one was for the team. For the team. If anyone wants to have a chat with me, you can just send me an email. We can set up a meeting. Yeah? Other than that, I think I'll let you go. Thank you. Much love. Ah,